So hi there, how you doing? Close to 12 noon in the midweek. This is Jasin Kapani, the founder CEO of I'm Decor Design. We're in the business of designing and manufacturing home and office decor and interior solutions. So you better take care. Keep close to the sun and nature and stuff, and look after yourself because the weather is changing, and I find people getting throat issues and stuff like that, and cough and cold, etc., including people like me and stuff. Okay, so what am I doing? I'm just chilling and I'm relaxing. So hope you're having a good day at the onset. Here to the first cup of coffee. As you see, I've not slept very well because I was still, tossing in my bed and stuff. And I had an option. I would either switch on Facebook or switch on social media and, research on it or get occupied on it or get busy on it and stuff and all that. And I could either, read a book or listen to some music and stuff. Okay. So I did nothing of that. All I did was just tune into some musical videos online, and then I just slept peacefully and stuff. So from last night I'm inspired. How many times have I woken up and how many times have I slept thinking I'm going to log into my phone and I'm just going to fall asleep and stuff like that. And does being on the phone really mean that you've officially started your day? Because I find many people who log in, they just wake up and they're in their phone. Does a day start like that? Does it professionally and personally mean your day is started? Well, why am I sharing all of this? I'm sharing all of this because a smartphone has become a necessity in today's date, and time and stuff. But is the smartphone a good gadget to be in the hands of children and stuff? So on the TV, there are debates and discussions. India has not reached that point of having a national strategy in place on controls of content being viewed and shared and stuff. And it seems like two states have already gone ahead and they've banned usage of phones for children below 16. So there have been lots and lots of sessions like these over the years that I've been a part and parcel of, and there was one in particular that I remember, which was organized by PhD chamber. This was with the Ministry of Broadcasting and Affairs and stuff and all that. It's been, I think, about 8-9 years, and I was a part of that. One of the speakers was Mr. Sandeep Marwa as well. And then there were lots of known people. There was a gentleman, Mr. Mike Berry from Walt Disney. There were ministers.